How's that for a turnout? All right, it's about 10 o'clock, and we've got quite the turnout right now. There is officially 15 Tercels here. I don't know if 15 Tercels have ever been together ever once in life, so this is quite an adventure. We got this Butte. So we've got a 1UZ on a 4Runner frame with some stuff that I don't recall offhand for the differential and the transfer case and things like that. We got Rusty Trusty Spud here. Spud's taken me to 27 states, over like 50,000 miles I've owned it in the last almost 4 years. Puddin's Fab Shop, Monsters, of course. This car's taking me up to Ozark National Forest and Pikes Peak and Mount Washington and on several Lemons rallies. This is Alex Ryder's car. It's got a very unfortunate dent, unfortunately. I sold him my white Auto 86 that we did a rescue on for $500 so he could use the body panels off this, and then we're going to convert it to a truck. So I'll have some videos on that in time, so stay tuned. I'm just going to get the paint redone so it looks nice and pretty in factory again, get the rust taken care of. We got this. This is Alex's two-wheel drive stick shift wagon. It's actually really nice. It's from Washington. I believe Washington. I could be incorrect, but it's got some JDM seats from another Tercel of sorts. It's got like 300,000 miles if I remember correctly. I don't think I can get the odometer with my camera at the angle it's at, but yeah, 302,000 miles. It's pretty optioned. Oh, it's from Ohio, but the car came from out west. But here's the old 83. You guys are familiar with this car, the recent rescue car with the asbestos brakes. If you haven't seen that video, check it out. It's pretty cringe, but anyway. And here's Thunder Bucket. I know you guys are all well aware of Thunder Bucket. She's gonna be my trail toy today. Gonna take a good beating. And this is Chris's Rusty Frog. The trusty Rusty Frog. This car's got a new custom front bumper this year. He smacked the deer, rebuilt it, put it back together. On top of all the underbody rust he's done, which is a pretty significant amount. Got a nice double diamond interior. Really nice shifters. It's got, I think, 162,000 miles on it. He drove all the way from Missouri. This is Seth's car. Used to be brown, now it's freshly painted red. Got Renault Alliance wheels. It's a very, oh, oui, French.
Oh my God, that's still on there.
That whole drive?
Dude, yeah.
That's hilarious.
I'm gonna see what stays there all day.
Yeah, might as well.
Dude,
This is Dearman's Auto 4-wheel drive. This thing's an absolute unit.
But what I did was I just pulled the gas pedal cable off and then connected it directly to the.
This is JJ's unfortunately smashed 4A GE Tercel. This thing's got a very beautiful paint job. It's a very beautiful car, but it's been unfortunately wrecked. So we got Garrett Murphy out here with his Tercel wagon. He's a local Michigan resident. She's got some patina, but she's beautiful. Really nice interior. This is Aaron's. He's from Washington. This is his 4-wheel drive 85. He brought it up from Washington a couple years ago to Michigan here. Or last year, I think. I don't recall. He paid $100 for it, he said. It's got 200-some thousand miles. Stay Dutch. Boo! Here's this guy's from Wisconsin. It's an absolutely beautiful 85. Factory cruise control. Fully optioned out. It's a beautiful car. Super clean interior. 4 CMs on the upgraded aluminum wheels. Got an 87, the newest one here. You're from Wisconsin. You guys are from Wisconsin, right?
Yeah.
I love this newer style steering wheel. I think it's one of my favorite things about these. I really like the composite headlights. A lot better than the crappy glass ones that we get, even though the glass ones look really cool, but and then this identifies as a 4-wheel drive for the weekend. It's got foursomes as well. There's some pretty beauty rings. So we're gonna be taking all these on the trail. So it's gonna be quite the adventure. We'll see how it goes. Stay tuned for some videos of some wheeling. I'll have them up in a little while. It's gonna be a good time, hopefully.